Hey guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 exercises you can do to help eliminate belly fat, all right? It's going to help eliminate belly fat. You're also going to strengthen your entire abdominal wall, your entire core. These are exercises you can do at home and exercises that even beginners can do, all right? Typically, we're going to go through 5 exercises. I'm going to show you how to do each one, a couple things to focus on when you're doing each exercise. When you're doing this, you're going to want to do each for 30 seconds, all right? 30 seconds, you're going to rest 5 to 15 seconds between each exercise based on your fitness level. So keep that in mind. If you're truly a beginner, you're probably going to want to rest 15 seconds before going to the next exercise. Like I said, each one you're going to want to do for 30 seconds. If you're more advanced, looking for something tougher, do this as a giant set. Do all 5 exercises back to back to back to back to back. Make sure you're not resting between. You can rest after the first set for about 30 seconds. Do a second set. You can go up to 5 sets here if you are that advanced. But again, I'm trying to show you how you can do this even as a beginner. First exercise, the mountain climbers. The cool thing about the mountain climbers, not only does it work your entire core, your abs, obliques, your hips, your glutes, but you're also getting a little cardio benefit out of it. You're boosting your metabolism by doing the jogging, or you can even do a sprint with the mountain climber. So the couple points I wanted to make, just make sure when you're doing this, you're keeping your spine and neck neutral and rigid. You don't want to be down or up. And also you want to make sure your glutes are not too high, all right? You want to keep them lower, straight, a straight back, and then you're going to do your driving down low instead of bouncing up tall like that. You're staying low, you're staying tight, keep your entire core tight. And then you're driving your knees forward, all right? You can go as fast as you need to. Like I said, you can turn this into a sprint and get tremendous metabolic boosting benefits, okay? That's the first exercise you're gonna do. Again, you'll do 30 seconds, and then you'll go to your second exercise, which is a plank, but you're gonna do knee to elbow planks. So here, make sure your shoulders and your elbows are lined up. You wanna be over, you don't wanna be too far forward when you're doing these. Proper alignment, same thing with your spine and neck. Keep them neutral, rigid. Contract your core here. Typically, act like someone's about to punch you in the gut and you're tightening up as hard as possible. You want to keep that contraction going on here. You want to drive your knees. To your elbows. Again, you're not only staying straight, but you're focused on keeping a constant contraction in your abs. All right, that's going to provide tremendous benefits. Third exercise, before we get to the other 2 I told you about you probably never done, all right, is seated in and outs. What you're going to do here, get a wide base. You're gonna bring your knees to your chest and you're gonna kick your toes out, your feet out. When you're kicking your toes out, you're leaning back. You can do that simultaneously. You're actually getting a stretch in that position, and then you're gonna contract your abs as you bring your knees to your chest. So this is one of those that is a mind muscle exercise. You want to make sure you're focusing on your abs the entire time. You don't want to just kick. You want to make sure you're stretching your abs, contracting, stretching, contracting. These are seated in and outs, but if you're doing them correctly, if your mind is completely focused on contracting the abs and stretching the abs, you're going to get tremendous benefits from this, all right? So it's a great, great exercise. The next one, again, very, very awesome exercise. You can do it two different ways. This is the X crunch, all right? So on the X crunch, if you are a true beginner, what you wanna do here, your body needs to be in an X position, just like this, all right? Focus on keeping your lower back flat. You don't wanna get it off the ground. That's a little bit more harmful on your lower back. So keep your lower back flat on the ground, arms stretched. If you're a beginner, basically you're gonna go opposite arm to opposite leg. Key point here, when you're coming up, focus on contracting your abs, all right? When you're coming, you're contracting, you're lifting up enough to contract the abs, and you're down. Same thing there, all right? You're gonna wanna do that for 30 seconds. If you are more advanced, the difference here is you want your feet to be off the ground, your hands to be off the ground, and you're actually gonna elevate your upper back. So this requires stability work as well, so that's gonna help with your entire core, working your stabilizer muscles, again, your abs, obliques, and coordination. You're up, stretch. See that? Same thing, same concept. However, you're keeping constant tension on your abs by not coming down every time. As a beginner, it's okay to relax your abs a little bit until you get the feel and the strength, all right? Once you get the feel of how to do this and you start gaining more strength, then you can go to the advanced method. All right, the next one I'm gonna show you of the 5, the last of the 5, are the tuck planks. What you're gonna do here is similar to your knee to elbow planks. It's almost the same concept. However, you do want to elevate your glutes a little bit because the goal here is to crunch your abs together, okay? So let me show you. Just like if you do a rope crunch on a cable system, you're crunching your abs. You want that same concept here. You want to crunch, crunch. Again, knee to elbow, but you're not just coming to the side like this. You're actually coming underneath and crunching. Again, mind the muscle, and you're gonna focus on that contraction at the bottom. These 5 exercises, if you do them consistently, you do them as a giant circuit, or you do it with rest in between, you're still getting tremendous benefits. Again, depending on your fitness levels, you can do 1 set to 5 sets. You can rest 0 seconds to 15 seconds. Go at your own pace, but whatever you're doing, make sure you're progressing. Make progress from week to week, all right? Do these consistently and you will see amazing results with your entire abdominal wall, okay? Again, nutrition is very important though. I've stressed that in a lot of videos. You can build the abs, you can get strong abs, but if you want to reveal the abs, you gotta get your diet in check. Make sure you're cleaning that up. That's extremely important, guys. So do these exercises along with cleaning up your nutrition habits, and then you will get tremendous benefits. All right, guys, that being said, I wanna invite you guys to be a part of our Anabolic Tribe Facebook group. It's a private group of great guys. If you haven't already joined, please do so. There's a link in the description box below. You can click on that link and you can get joined. But again, you'll become a part of a great group of guys. We're there to help each other out, answer any questions. Also, if you have any questions about this video, comment below. Ask your questions so we can answer those for you, because I want to make sure you know exactly how to do these. Make sure you're getting them done correctly so you don't injure yourself. But if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe. And that being said, get busy, get after it, and God bless.